Greetings from the Garden State of New Jersey, and welcome to Union City, which starts here at 48th Street. Gives us an opportunity to take a peek into West New York. It shows its starting point at 49th Street, and we are right across the Hudson River from Manhattan Island, and here is the Bergenline light rail station. Now let's take a walk into ever beautiful Union City. Union City is, for New Yorkers, very easy to get to. You have the Bergenline. These buses will leave from the 42nd Street area. You'll also see buses like that. They'll go to Patterson. They'll say exactly where they're going, and usually they are about the same exact price as taking NJ Transit. Now, taking NJ Transit is how I got here today from the Port Authority, 42nd Street, and it's $3.50 each way. And there are multiple buses. Almost every bus stops here in Union City, and there is the clock telling us that it is 3:20 in the afternoon on a hot summer July day. We just had the 4th of July. And in this area, you will see flags of many nations. This is a very diverse community. And let's take a walk in. Now, what we're seeing here is shopping, and more shopping in the Garden State of New Jersey. But what's interesting about shopping in Union City, first of all, the prices are really interestingly low. You can find out how much your pesos are worth. But the markets are set up for the diverse community that lives here. So if you want to get a glimpse into what it is like having dinner in El Salvador, look no further than Union City, New Jersey. If you're trying to find your Mexicano clothing, concert information, white cowboy hats, it's all here. Now, when I was visiting the beautiful country of Mexico, I did visit in some of the markets, and I gotta say, I think that Union City did a great job of making people from that area feel like they're at home. And we got one coming up, reminded me of a day in Mexico. But it's hard to pick one country because it is a very diverse area. But let's take a crossover. Again, we are on Bergenline Avenue. And here it is, Mercado de las Americas. And I took a stroll in, and it reminded me of visiting the markets of Mexico. And there's a quick glimpse, booth set up, and it's stuff that a lot of times those vendors may have ordered directly from Mexico, or even in some cases created themselves. So you won't find those types of items in other areas of Union City. Bandera de Mexico. And it is the flag of, you ready for it? Wales. That is the flag of Wales. The band Tiger Tails comes to us from Wales. Let's see who else is here. The Colombian Bakery. Let's cross over. The Colombian Bakery is here. Now, I did see a very large Colombian community in Elizabeth, and they even have a historical area referred to as their Colombian district. Now, keep in mind, for those of you from the Rockaways of I Love New York. There is a Rockaway, New Jersey, just like West New York is in New Jersey. All right, there's a lot more to explore and see as we walk Bergenline Avenue in ever fun and beautiful Union City, New Jersey. Till next time, keep enjoying and exploring.